Alright y'all, this is another Ford CF7000. Their shifter's all screwed. Their ignition's all screwed. But one thing they got that I don't, they got their exhaust running across to the other side of the world. Oh, they got their EGT, and it goes down under the motor and back up. Check this out. You too can have this huge old party truck. Holy crap, we can't even walk far enough away. It's like my Billie Jean, but she's some kind of party rig. That's crazy. Anyway, I thought y'all might get a kick out of that. I sure did. Oh, we need to show you the front. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm missing the best part. The front on this truck. Holy crap, they did such a great job. We'll turn you around again. She actually looks pretty sexy. Got them some stripes. How cool is that? Oh, and they relocated the oil to this side. Well, check that out. That's kind of spiffy. Huh. Where does that go? That just goes right on down into where? Into there? Huh. Alright. That's cool. Anyway, I saw this truck and just couldn't help but stop and say hi to it. Ooh, it's roasty out here in Georgia. And here's my Billie Jean. There she is. Anyway, love y'all. Bye.